Hi guys, Bon here. I hope you guys are having a good day. Today we are going to be talking about two stocks that are blowing up like crazy. But just a disclaimer, this video is just for entertainment purposes only. If you guys are going to be investing in a stock, please invest at your own risk and please do your due diligence. Also, these two stocks that I'm going to be talking about in this video, it is my recommendation that you guys do not buy it. Okay? Do not buy it. This video is for entertainment purposes only, and I don't buy these stocks. Okay? And if you like the content, please give this video a thumbs up. It would really help me out. Okay, so before we get into it, let's take a look at the indexes and what is happening currently today. The unemployment reports are out, and currently the new unemployment rate is 1.877 million unemployments last week. This was actually higher than what they predicted. They actually predicted the unemployment to be around 1.2 million, but it was 1.8 million. So, and that's why the stock market today is not doing very well. Currently, right now, which is about an hour and a half before the closing of the market, it is down 0.4 to 0.5% today. And realistically, in my opinion, the market falling today has little to do with the job report because we've been having reports all the time. In my opinion, and the reason why the stock market is dropping is because it is losing steam. I mean, it is impossible to go up every day forever, right? And it has been going up 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 days. It's been going up for the last 4 days. And so and today is probably just a breather day. Does that mean that tomorrow and next week it's going to drop? I don't know. I don't know, and I can't say anything for certain, but it is a definite possibility. If you want to know, flip a coin and see what you get. And you'll probably get an answer as good as any analyst. But one thing I want to caution you guys about is please be careful during this very volatile time of the market. If you have positions that have gone up 10, 15, and 20, 30% this past week, please trim your position. I'm not telling you guys to sell all of it, but please trim it. If you guys have stocks that are low already and you think it can go up next week, then keep it. But if you guys have made a lot of money over this past week, consider trimming your position. All right, now let's get to the two really crazy stocks. So the first stock that we are going to be talking about is GNUS Brand International. The ticker symbol is GNUS. So this stock was brought up to my attention by Dat Huang. And when I checked it out yesterday, it was crazy. Okay, so currently today it is trading at negative 14%. That is a big drop for anyone, but not so much for this company. Its market cap is $510 million, which is a pretty decent sized market cap. Anything over a $300 million market cap is considered a small cap, and small cap are okay. Small cap are okay. Anything below a $300 million company is considered a micro cap. So at least it's a small cap, so it's not too bad. But wait, if you guys look at that 52-week range, it went from 5 cents to $11. Its highest point was $11. And guess what? That was today. Today in the morning, it hit $11.73. $11. And look at it now. It is at $6.80. $6.80. Yeah, it dropped pretty much 50% from its highest point today within 1 day. At its very low point, it was $4.20. The volatility on this thing is astronomical. Here is an article on MarketWatch. GNUS brand stocks rocket more than 2,400% in a month, ahead of important news in coming days. Okay, so now you guys might be wondering, what is GNUS brand? How come I've never heard of it? Okay, what is this company? Okay, so in a nutshell, GNUS Brand International just makes cartoons for kids. The difference between them and other cartoons is that their cartoons and their shows are educational. They make a lot of very good things, good shows for kids to watch. Now, the important news that is coming up is on June 15th, they will be launching a brand new kids channel online for everyone to see. It'll be a free subscription platform, so you don't need to pay for it like Disney Plus or Netflix, okay? It's completely free for kids. And they have some pretty good shows. One of their most popular shows is the Rainbow Rangers. I have niece and nephews, so I've seen some of the episodes of the Rainbow Rangers. They're okay. They're entertaining-ish. But what's even more important is that Mattel is actually going to be making some Rainbow Rangers toys that will be sold in Walmart. You can see here that on May 4th, it was trading at around 33 cents per share. 33 cents per share, May 4th, exactly 1 month ago. It was trading at 33 cents per share. Now it's trading at $6.70. Crazy, in a month's time. In 1 month's time, it went from 33 cents to $6.70. So if you bring this market cap valuation back to a month ago, it would be around, I don't know, $30 million market cap. So $30 million versus $500 million market cap. So a month ago, this company was a penny stock. But now, it's not a penny stock anymore. It's a real stock. It's a small size stock. So, it's doing good. It's doing crazy. I found the stock yesterday and it was up 90%. Crazy. It went from $4 to all the way to like $7 or something. And then this morning I woke up, I checked this stock out, and it was up 30% within the first 10 minutes. Within the first 10-15 minutes, it was up 30%. Then 40 minutes later, it was down negative 30% to $4 something. And then it shot back up. But boy, what a ride. And the financials and everything, they're not profitable. They're nowhere close to being profitable. So, don't buy the stock. This is just for kicks. My suggestion is be very careful with this stock. Don't buy this stock. If you have like $100 and you guys want to test it out just for the kicks of it, yeah, go ahead. But don't be putting thousands and thousands of dollars into this stock. Okay? Check it out. I think that is just hilarious. All right, and the next stock that we're going to be talking about is Luckin Coffee. I have talked about Luckin Coffee before, but it was through a video, so you might have missed it. But Luckin Coffee is a coffee company in China. It is a Chinese company that is trading in the New York Stock Exchange. Now, what makes it an interesting story is that from April 2019 all the way to August or September, depending on what news sites you read, they were forging their books. And they were saying that they had over $300 million in sales that they did not have. And because they were in China, the US couldn't audit them. But eventually it was leaked, and people in America were furious that companies in China could not be audited by the US government. And since they're trading in the New York Stock Exchange, investors in America were deeply and were horribly harmed because of this fraud. Because their stock fell from $50-something to $2, below $2. So because of Luckin Coffee, senators throughout the country are saying that we should delist Chinese companies in the New York Stock Exchange. Because of one company, they're saying that we should delist them. So let's take a look at what is going on with them now. So currently today, it is up 77%. It was up $2 today alone. And this blows my mind because one, they committed fraud, okay? They were forging their numbers. They are in some really, really big trouble, both in China and in the United States. I have no idea why it is up 77%. I mean, chances are they are going to be filing for bankruptcy because of this scandal. It is just crazy. So 3 months ago, they were trading at around $27, $28, and then boom, it just crashed. The New York Stock Exchange decided to halt their trading for a whole month. And then after a month, it went from $4.39 to $2, even $1.39. Ever since it started retrading again, you would think that people would just dump the stock and it would go down to zero. But people are buying the stock. Its market cap is around $1 billion, $900 million. The COO, the Chief Operating Officer, he was actually the person that fabricated these transactions. And because of him, another company, Car Inc. in China, which is a very, very big company in China, they were caught in the crossfires because he was actually very, very heavily in Cars Inc. He was heavily invested in Cars Inc. And they were caught in the crossfires. And now both companies are suffering. But Cars Inc. is detaching themselves from Luckin Coffee. Again, don't trade the stock. Don't look at the huge numbers and trade the stock. You will definitely regret it, because if you are on a good day, it'll go up 40%. On a bad day, it'll go down 40%. So check out this stock. Major controversy. Alright, well, that's all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like the content, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, then please subscribe. I'd like to hit 400 by the end of June. I'll probably hit 300 by June, but I'd like to hit 400 if I can. 400 subscribers by the end of June. Let's go. I think I can do it. So, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.